Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is Puto Pao. Puto Pao is a type of fluffy puto with meat fillings. My recipe, I use two kinds of mushroom, but you can still use meat with the same procedure. And a sliced cheese as a toppings. Let's start by preparing Shitaki mushroom by soaking in a warm water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, squeeze and chop the Shitaki mushroom. And disregard the stems. Heat the pan and put the oil. And then add the chopped onions. Cook until translucent. Followed by the garlic. Saute until aromatic, then add the Shitaki mushroom. Saute good the Shitaki mushroom, then add water and cook for a couple of minutes. Then I add the bottom mushroom. I combine two kinds of mushroom to add textures. But you can also add tofu or the usual ground pork. Saute the bottom mushroom to combine with the other ingredients and cook for 1 minute. Season the mushroom with soy sauce, then the oyster sauce, the brown sugar, mix, and then add the star anise. Simmer for a minute, then thicken the mushroom fillings with a slurry. When it's almost done, remove the star anise. Taste, then season the mixture with salt and pepper according to your taste. It's done. Set aside the mushroom fillings to cool down. Let's make the fluffy puto. Sieve the cake flour, then the baking powder and sugar, then mix. Then add the evaporated milk. Mix until smooth the mixtures. Let's make meringue. In a bowl, add the room temperature egg whites, then the cream of tartar. Then whip. Once the egg whites are foamy, like a kind of soap bubbles, gradually add the sugar. Whip until the meringue is foamy, like shaving cream, and glossy. And it's not easy to fold the mixtures when turned over or flip. Let's mix the puto batter and the meringue. Transfer the puto batter to the bigger bowl, then put a small amount of meringue to the puto batter at a time. Then use fold method like letter J strokes. Gently fold the meringue and puto batter to prevent from knocking out the air out of your meringue. Stop folding when you notice one color of the mixtures or totally combined. Let's prepare the steamer. I already added water in a pan, then cover and allow to boil. I put cupcake liner in every jumbo puto molder. I use ice cream scooper to fill the puto molder with puto mixtures and then add the mushroom filling. Cover the top with puto mixtures, then add some fillings on top. Now the water is boiling, add the prepared puto and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Turn off the heat, then add the sliced cheese. Cover the lid with the steamer and then let the cheese melt for a minute with the remaining heat on the steamer. Do this procedure with all the puto batter. Here's the Puto Pao with mushroom fillings. Yummy! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye!